So we just spent a good amount of our life savings on this disaster.
Brother, what's that?
Yeah, we'll wait for their full 90 days and they should be out by early August.
Right.
All right.
The door is unlocked.
All right, I've announced myself. I'm coming in. If you're in here, identify yourself. Last warning.
Oh my God.
And here's some keys and stuff.
Oh, they left the keys on. Oh, then they meant to do this intentionally. Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming through.
They left the keys. Keys were left on the counter.
It'll be a bad day if you jump out. Let's avoid this. Anybody here? Anybody here?
Oh,
That
see.
stands for redemption.
Daughter's room.
I'm coming in. You won't be happy when I get in here.
Wow. Oh boy. All right.
Listen, hold on before you go out, Cindy. I want Cindy.
Yes.
I'm gonna forever call you Cindy.
Yes.
Please don't get offended.
That's all right.
All right, locked out. Huh? Oh, they left us a prop.
Oh, good. Uh-oh. Oh boy.
Not a very good prop, but
It'll do though.
nonetheless. So, let's back up.
There you go. Good.
All right.
Oh man. So this is where the daughter was living. This has been fully cleared out.
So while you're doing that, I'm gonna restart on the wall.
Okay, I'm gonna check this slider.
All right. Day one. We finally got the tenants out of here. And as you can see, it's not great, but not horrible. We left a lot of stuff behind. So we're starting the cleanup process. This room here, actually, whoever was staying here did a great job. It's like perfect. Shit. But you could see this bedroom is just full of junk, full of clothes, full of stuff left behind. So we're gonna get started on just the clean out. They actually took the washer and dryer too. Like, that's crazy. Make sure you're wearing your gloves, people, because they just found this in here. Found a light bulb. There's a bunch of bird nests outside as well that we found. There's dog hair. So you get the deals though. Still got some work to do in the kitchen, but room is pretty close to empty.
Found some good tools. Can't be mad at that. This is truckload number 2. All kinds of stuff, bags, random furniture. And we're not supposed to throw like big loads of stuff out in the complex, so we'll just toss the bags and see what we can get out without making a problem. Alright, so.
You look like an inflatable.
Damn it! We've been finding bed bug killer in the bathrooms, so taking some precautions with moving the mattress. We got the full fit on. I've been said to look like an inflatable, but still mask, gloves, and now making sure we don't track any of it home. So let's see how this goes. We're suiting up. We got. Let's see it.
Huh?
Let's see you suit up.